These auto-apply settings in Google Ads will help you to increase the return of ad spends drastically. So trust me, just simply follow these steps and definitely you will start seeing the results and increasing in revenue in your Google Ads. Let me show you the example. So recently I just made the changes to my account, and if I go to last month and if I scroll down here, you see target return of ad spend and everything is okay. But when I check here, conversion value per cost, this matters most. So these are the campaigns I have. Audio equipment 3, AU wide all items 4.17, light stands 2.82, and this is just a new campaign, so 0. First of the November, I made some changes and I'm going to show you in this video next, and I started seeing good results, which let me show you quickly. So this month, and you see from 3 it increased straight to 7. This one made some changes and also like it's 3.9 and it's keep going up every day. Light stands 8.75, which is amazing. So let me show you what settings I'm talking about. These are the auto apply settings in Google Ads. So simply go to the campaigns and recommendations, and on the recommendations right hand side here, click auto apply. These are the auto apply settings Google recommend to maintain your ads. First of all, first section is maintain your ads. 8 recommendations types. So under the ads and assets, I prefer to go and click to activate all 3 options. Use optimize ad rotation. I'm happy with that. Add responsive search ads. I'm happy with that. Improve your responsive search ads. Yes. Keywords and targeting. I also keep all these options active, like remove redundant keywords, which is good. Remove non-serving keywords, which also makes sense. Remove conflicting negative keywords. That also makes sense. And I want Google to do these things automatically as well. Use optimized targeting. Yes, I want that one as well. Measurement, upgrade your conversion tracking. If Google upgrades to new conversion tracking measurement, yes, I want to allow Google to upgrade the conversion tracking as well. Next section is grow your business and keywords and targeting. Add new keywords. I do not like Google to add new keywords on my behalf because sometimes Google go crazy and add unnecessary nonsense keywords to my campaign. So I untick that. Add broad batch keywords. No, I don't want to allow Google to do that. Use display expansion. I also don't want that feature as well. Bidding. Bid more efficient with target impression share. I do not want Google to do that because I want to keep that control on my side. Bid more efficiently with maximizing clicks? No. Bid more efficiently with maximize conversions? No. All this bid strategy, I want to keep it on my side. Bid more efficiently with maximize conversion value? Yes, I allow Google up to some extent and I keep an eye on it. And if I do see some negative outcome, then I untick that one as well. But for now, I will keep it as it is. Bid more efficiently with maximize conversion using target cost per action. And I would say no. Bid more efficiently with maximize conversion value using target ROAS. I would say yes. So only 2 things like conversion value and target ROAS, I would allow Google to bid more efficiently. But other than that, set target cost per action, set target ROAS, adjust your CPA target, adjust your ROAS target, and add store visit as an account default goal. No, I untick all of them. So just follow these steps and you will see some good results to your e-commerce based Google Ads account. If you're running an e-commerce ads through the Google Ads, definitely follow these steps and you will thank me. And if you really want to thank me, just thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel if you're here for the first time, and comment me in comment box below if you think these things started helping you or not. I would love to read your comments and reply to each and every comments as soon as possible. Thank you very much for spending your time watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Until next time, see you, take care, and bye-bye.